This is a presentation of the new, patent-pending, Unified Medical File electronic medical record software. The Unified Medical File is, as its name implies, a patient-centric, cloud-based, distributed electronic medical record system. It is designed to manage medical records at the level of a nation or of a small outpatient clinic. Unified Medical File is built by Pangea Cloud Information Technology in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Pangea Cloud Information Technology of Dubai is licensed by Pangea Cloud Solutions of Canada to use its USA fully patented data engine in building this state-of-the-art electronic medical records. Several distinctive features differentiate Unified Medical File from all other electronic medical record applications worldwide. 1. This is the only, truly, patient-centric application. 2. It automatically encodes users' input to an international code value. 3. It can place the whole medical file on the patient's mobile device. 4. It provides instant runtime translation of the entire user interface to any supported language. 5. The whole medical file appears as one-page, compiled report across the board. The concept Unified Medical File is based on begins with the idea that collective clinical activities data makes up the electronic medical record by following 4 rules. First, a clinical activity is reported using a set of web forms defining its workflow. Second, the web forms are primed with repetitive data using web form templates. Third, clinical activities are grouped under an organization composite activity to represent a clinical pathway or a practice guideline. Fourth, each activity is related to an activity code, a price list amount, and an international code value. Scalability and adaptability in Unified Medical File are distinctive. This is because of the possible creation and combination of unlimited number of activity templates, web form templates, and user types. This results in an infinite number of possible business flows. Unified Medical File is offered in 4 deployment types. The Solo Cloud Subscription, suitable for solo practitioners. The Organization Cloud Subscription, designed for small or large organizations who are willing to share their patient information. The Standalone Server is suited for organizations who do not want to share their patients' information. The Multi-Facility Cloud Deployment is for authorities and mega health organization networks. As the deployment type significantly affects implementation cost, choosing the appropriate type makes the Unified Medical File within the reach of almost any healthcare provider. Unified Medical File is composed of 5 interloping and functionally integrated independent applications and server modules. The Organization Admin module permits organization managers to control the settings of all activated components and to create a system-shared pool of identities of persons and objects. The Clinical Unified Medical File application captures clinical data, compiles it, and reports it on one single web page. The Billing, Invoicing, and Insurance module manages all billing, invoicing, and insurance transactions. Inventory and Store application manages the inventory and seamlessly updates it to reflect consumptions in clinical activities. Accounting application automatically receives and journals financial transactions sent from the clinical and billing modules. Unified Medical File has open-ended connectivity features. It integrates easily with any proprietary software or device-enabled software to send and receive computer-formatted messages in any standardized protocols, such as HL7, FHIR, XML, and JSON. Examples are external accounting systems, lab devices, electronic monitors, or other hospital legacy electronic medical record systems. Unified Medical File provides strong, immediate coupling between clinical and business transactions and financial transactions. This feature ensures two important things. First, no income can be lost because the income transaction is generated the moment an activity is created. Second, this income transaction triggers a predefined financial template containing a set of related financial transactions that can be verified before getting journaled in accounting. As a result of the patented data engine features, Unified Medical File supports automated encoding of user input using international code sets. This feature enriches user-collected data by adding international codes with the following benefits. Creation of a common data model not only at the user interface, but also at the back-end server. Data can be analyzed statistically regardless of the source input. Reports can be interpreted in any of the supported languages. Unified Medical File supports structured and strong clinical documentation and clinical practice. This is implemented by grouping web forms to define and report clinical activities and grouping activities in sets of organization pathways or practice guidelines. This enforces structured and strong practices in the organization, leading to better patient service and reduced medical errors, omissions, and litigation. Clinical Decision Support, CDS, is a hidden and strong feature of Unified Medical File supported by back-end modules with no visible user interface. CDS modules optimize practice and reduce exposure to litigation. Examples are case-specific management and data capture, the drug interactions module, and automated system and user flags. One of the main features of Unified Medical File is the visually noiseless user interface and ease of use. Most functions run in a unidirectional flow with minimal screen interactions. All user types share the similar two basic user interfaces. Speech-to-text conversion support in clinical forms. Due to the strong and perfect automated documentation of Unified Medical File, your patients will be happy with a readily available, state-of-the-art electronic medical record. And you will be able to enjoy more of your time instead of composing endless medical reports and facing unexpected litigations. Act now and convert to Unified Medical File to change your life and the life of your patients and coworkers.